Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool ribbon on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a straight line here, well, kind of like a square, like a filled square. I'll just copy and paste that, and I'm just going to color that white, like so. Just going to align them as well. Okay. Then go to Effect, and let's go to Transform. Where is it? And I want to copy it like 3 to like 5 times. $35. Whoops. Maybe like 2. Yeah, let's do it 2 times actually. Oh my gosh, there's like gaps in between, so let me just do that again. Hold on, I'm so sorry. Like, I don't want it to have like gaps in between. There we go. Let's do that again, shall we? I'm so sorry. $32 pixels. Okay. Press OK. Select it, object, expand appearance, and I'm just going to delete one of the lines here. So it looks like this. Select it, and you're just going to rotate it this way. Like so. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer as well. Then you're going to open symbols. If you can't find it, it's under window. Select it and drag it in symbols. I'm just going to name it lines. And I'm going to press OK. Delete that, and I'm just going to like make like this like ribbon shape. Hold on. Something like that. And just make it like an outline like this. Effect 3D and select 3D Classic and extrude and bevel. Here you're just going to adjust the depth. Just okay, not that much. Maybe like at 200. It's totally up to you. Maybe like this much actually. You can also like move the like shape a little bit if you want to. I just make it like this, and then go to the map art section. Go to the third one, and then select that line symbol, scale to fit. Then do it again to this one, line, scale to fit. Then this one again, line, scale to fit. And then press OK. Alright, then you're going to want to go to Object, Expand Appearance. And I'm just going to select and group all. Select one and then release clipping mask. And you're going to want to remove that that white area. I know it's going to be black, but just trust me on that later. Okay, so select these areas and like move it to this side. I know there's like some here, but I'm just going to ignore the fact that that exists. Hello, can I delete it? Thank you. There's that left. Oh my god. There we go. Then you're just going to want to color it into whatever color you want. Just going to select this orange one, and then maybe like a blue. Then maybe like a pink. It's totally up to you. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.